Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This only pertains to Corel version 2024. It's the new Painterly brush. So I've got number twos, and if we look, go to view, and I just made the outline white, but if we go to white wireframe, you'll see it. I think it's a lot easier if you don't have to do something. But with one of the two selected, go up to the Painterly tool, brush, and you'll get select brush and silk flowers. I mean, watch this. It's going to take a little bit of time to do it, but look what you could do with silk flowers. Now, zoom in here. I mean, look at that. Now we can change it. We have to go back to the Painterly brush, and you can change this. We can make it 0.01 to make them wider. And it's a lot's going on, especially on my old laptop. It's having a little bit of time keeping up. But you can also do a lot of other stuff with it. You know, you can make the line thickness. Well, I think it's still trying to do it, but you can change a lot, and it's evidently going on. So, you know, you could change the thickness or the color basically and make it less pronounced. You know, it's like, this is almost like a transparency tool. Let's go ahead and just clear the brush stroke, and let's get another brush. I'm still in that same mode. There's a whole list of them. I mean, you can go down to, and it's charcoal, digital effects, fluid, glazing, inks, chisel, fan, oils, particles. Let's go furry. And I'm pretty sure once it does this, you could still fill in. Well, maybe you can't. I was thinking you could fill in the two. Yeah, you can't. Look at that. That's pretty cool. So if you have 2024, play around with that. So let's select the other two and go to the Painterly. It's just, they've added to the artistic media flyout. And let's just see what one more looks like. You know, you get an example what it's going to sprinkle. And like I said, I mean, look at this. If you, I don't know how that would print, but then like I said, if you take it and fill in the two with red, then it's only going to have it on the outside. I mean, it'll do any shape. Let's do a star, Painterly brush. This is, as a laser engraver, I'm never going to use this because I don't do any printing. Let's see what sponge looks like. And there's different, you know, you can change the thickness. Now that's too thick. So let's go with like 1. And look at this. And then let's turn it blue this time. I don't know how else you could, and this is actually on the outside and the inside. And I think we could probably remedy that if we take this. Let me see if I can't change my nudge factor. I haven't really played around with it very much because I'm not. No, let's go up to object and break the part. Take this. Yeah, I think this is going to work. So now we have two groups. Let's see if this is going to work. Select it all and go up to intersect and intersect it. Well, it didn't work. I was hoping it would take away. It's kind of like working with a shadow, but it's still cool. And you could eliminate that color and go up here to object, order, front of page. And now you don't have the blue. The red's not into the blue because you have two copies of that star. So the other one's going to have it, and the one on top isn't going to have it. I mean, of course, I think red on red is going to look the best. Anyway, play around with that if you have 2024. I'm not going to say it's a reason to upgrade, but someday you'll be there maybe, and pretty cool if you were a printer. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.